Hi everyone, welcome to our Friday Assembly. A little bit different this week. We're coming to you in your homes rather than you visiting us in school to find out who's been remarkable this last week. We're into our second week now of working at home and working in a different way, but I'm really proud of all the work that's been going on at home. As always, Lee Forest has done a fantastic job and we're really proud of our whole community. A big shout out to the staff who are working in different circumstances but have really embraced the opportunity to go onto the virtual way of learning. And well done to our parents. We know it's not easy for you at home, and maybe now some of you are seeing what we face on a day-to-day basis. Hopefully your experiences are positive by the end of the second week. We've had some strong feedback from some of you and I've been really impressed with our online way of working. Keep your comments coming in because it's really helpful to know what we need to do to improve to make it even better for you all. Like I say, we're here to celebrate this week's achievements. I'm currently at home making this video, and you will see I'm distracted because I've got Lola in the background who's gone camera shy now, and she's here to celebrate with you all today as well. What we've done is, instead of bringing the assembly into the hall, we've brought it into your homes, and I've got messages from all of your class teachers to find out who's been remarkable and who's really stood out in each of our classes this week.
Hello everybody, Polly and I would like to say a big well done to Arham from nursery. He sent me so much work this week, I'm really proud of him. Even some brilliant maths that he did on his nature walk. He collected all different numbers of different plants and he sent it to me and it was so beautiful. Okay, so well done Arham, keep up the good work. Well done.
My child of the week this week is Casey. I've been really impressed with the work that you've been doing at home, Casey, so keep it up. Well done.
My child of the week is Leia. Leia, I've been so impressed with all your hard work at home and your enthusiasm to complete all of the tasks, so well done and keep it up.
My child of the week is Hanaya, and I've chosen Hanaya because she's completing every single task that I'm setting on Class Dojo and her work is just remarkable, so just keep it up, Hanaya.
Hi Denargio. I'm just letting you know that I've chosen you to be my remarkable child of the week this week. That's because you've made me smile every day when you've sent me your videos of your reading comprehension. You're showing from your discussions with your mum and your brother how much you're really understanding what you're reading. And I feel so proud, so well done, keep it up.
My child of the week this week is Naima. I've chosen you, Naima, because you have completed every single thing that we've asked of you and to an exceptional standard. You are remarkable. Well done.
My child of the week this week is Lily Jean. I've chosen you this week, Lily, because you have completed every single piece of work that I have set to the very best of your ability. I'm really proud of you. Keep it up.
Hello everybody, my child of the week is Kyla Morgan. She's been absolutely remarkable at home. She's been sending in some fantastic pieces of work. She's proven that she can discover what's possible inside and outside of the classroom. Keep up, Kyla.
My child of the week this week is Tara. Tara, you have been absolutely remarkable. You have impressed me with all of your photos and your videos and your wonderful messages to me that you have sent every single day. You have been resilient and all of your work has been completed up to date. Well done, keep it up, you make me proud.
This week I've picked Lewis Towner as Child of the Week. This is because he's approached all of his learning tasks with tons of enthusiasm. So thank you, Lewis.
Leah, you're my child of the week this week. Well done for working extremely hard on all the tasks that have been set. I've really enjoyed seeing all of your photos and videos on Class Dojo. Well done.
Congratulations, Lacey. You are this week's Child of the Week for 4ST. Well done for working so hard on all your online learning this week.
Hi, Chloe. I had to choose you for my Child of the Week this week because you're just so remarkable. All the photos, the work you've been doing, reading me your story, thank you. Just everything meant you had to be my Child of the Week. You're brilliant. So keep up the hard work, keep doing what you're doing. I miss you guys and I hope to see you soon. Fingers crossed. But yes, you're making me proud each and every day. Well done.
Hi Kaiden, I just wanted to say you are my Child of the Week because I love the way that you have responded to your online learning and your live lessons. You haven't missed a lesson. You've been positive and smiley. I can hear the smile even in the messages that you send. And I just wanted to let you know that I'm really proud of you and keep up the good work. Bye.
My child of the week this week is Mikhail Nawaz for his engagement with the online learner.
Hi everyone. My child of the week this week is Adil because he's done his work every single day and he's done some amazing creative artwork. Well done to all of you with the Timetable Rockstars too. Missing you all.
Wasn't that fantastic to hear from all of our different teachers and to hear some of those remarkable achievements this week? A big well done to everyone.